Hello and welcome back to the channel. I have a project share for you. It's for Two Crafters, One Design, and also for Saturday Morning Makes. On Two Crafters, One Design, they usually have a theme that they suggest each week for you to make something from. So this week's theme was mushrooms. So I made this card. And from my stash, there you go, brought you down a little bit so you can see it. From my stash, I had, from my stash, I had some photos of this mushroom. So I had that in my stash. I had some words in my stash. I had this die. Now, I don't know where the rest of it is because I was playing with it on my desk and it got lost. So this is the die that made the card. I think it's from maybe Caruso or something like that design. But I've had that for a while. So I selected that to make it. And then I had these words. So I selected some of a word from there to make it. So this is my card. It has the little rabbit, and he's sitting there on some mushrooms. I kind of layered him up and inked around it. And I put this inside to kind of keep it together. So these are the mushrooms. And then inside it says hello, and it has this space for me to write with all the words in it. So those are the things I did to make that card. And then, just because I didn't get a chance to show it, last week their theme was music. And I didn't get a chance to show it because I never finished. I didn't get it done. So this was my card for last week's theme. That was music. And it says sending happy thoughts. And I had this background paper that I inked up with Tim Holtz Distress Distress ink in Finished Photo, which is my favorite. So I kind of inked it all around. I put this on there. These are some die cuts. So I did that. And then this morning, I had to make another card. So I made that one. And that's, part of my Saturday morning make. So I made that card. It's a friendship card that I'm about to send out. So that's what I did this week. And those are all the things that I used. So I'm hoping you all are having a pleasant week. Remember, Two Crafters, One Design is hosted by Melissa from Mo Creation, Lisa for You Can See Why I'm a Diva, and Gloria from Girliest Cards. And Saturday Morning Makes is an open collab also from Jill Norwood, and she just says make something, come in and show it, keep your creativity going, and I'll put everybody's link down the bottom. Please remember to check out their channel, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also please press that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.